Architectural Builders Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
It's Rich Howard from Architectural Builders, returning your call about UltraFab kerf-mounted tile.
How are you?
Never better. How are you?
Oh, just living the dream.
Good.
Question for you. Is that we have a custom-made door. What we need to do is weather strip this door. Now I know if you look down through the details, it says it's actually for holding a screen in place. We need it to be, and I saw your sizes are up to like 1/2 inch or 3/4 of an inch. But we'd like to use it as a weather stripping. Okay, so what we like to do is put it in the edge of the door. We can route it into the door, but my question, one of the big questions is it flexible enough to go onto a radius? Can we flex this down into a radius? Now, it's not a real tight one. It's not like it's a coffee can. It's even bigger than a 55-gallon drum. It's a pretty long, sweeping radius is our concern that we get it into there. You know, we don't want to go by, umpteen feet and not be able to use it.
Sure. So is this going to go, you have an arch-top wood door is what it is?
Correct.
What's the diameter of the radius? Oh, what's the radius?
It's probably about 5 foot.
It's
like I said,
yeah.
It's actually a pretty big radius. It's like I said, it's a nice size radius.
I'm going to say that you'd be in good shape, with the exception that you're probably going to want to order enough so that you can test it, figure out what needs to be done, and then take the permanent piece and make that happen. Meaning, I would expect that you're going to need to make some bird mouth preps on the tanged or barbed section of it.
Yes.
You might need to. And if you didn't need to because the radius was great enough, I would be rather tempted to run a bead of XYZ down in there and then get a strap around the whole thing without damaging the pile very much and letting that set overnight.
The other thing go ahead.
It's not good maintenance wise if you're going to run something down in there. It'll be a bear to get it out.
Well, like I say, we're hoping for not for a once and done, but like I say, for an indefinite fix on this door.
A decade, sure, of course.
Our thought is, like, I was thinking the same thing. Like I said, we put the kerf in it, we make sure it fits, pop it, like I said, silicone or whatever we're going to put into there, and then also, I've seen that done with either a small brad nail in on an angle through, through the wood, and then through the kerf, inside through the kerf where you're part of it, and then back into the wood again. So we were thinking the same thing, staple, whatever, and to help hold it in there.
Yeah, I think it'll be great.
Okay, because like I said, it is about a 5 foot radius, I would have to say off the top of my head. And like I said, we even figured if we had to put it in like 2 pieces or 3 pieces, that still wouldn't be horrible. We know we'd get a flat spot in it there, but we're thinking we'd still be okay with that.
Yeah, I would go with the bird's mouth prep on the back side of it so that you can get it to pinch a little bit, or curve, I should say. And I think you'll be in great shape. I'd love to see a photograph of it when it's done.
Okay. Let me get a list together, and I can order everything right off your website.
Of course you can, or on the phone, whatever's easiest for you.
Okay, I'll get it right off your website, and we'll place the order.
Thank you very much.
You have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program.